Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear 4th class students. Today discuss about length. So topic length, metric measures. Metric measures three types: length, weight and capacity. Now today discuss about length. Already we know that length. The standard unit of length is meter. It can be written as m. The standard unit of length is meter. It can be written as m. See, we know that centimeter is smaller than meter. Centimeter is smaller than meter. Do you know of any unit which is smaller than centimeter? Now let us try to find out. So that is the millimeter. See here, some of the objects measured in kilometers, long objects. Now some of the objects measured in meters, means medium objects. Now some of the objects measured in meters, like our glass. Now some of the objects in millimeters. Millimeters. Some of the smaller objects measured in millimeters. See, already we know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Next, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. This is the smaller unit of length. Millimeter is less than centimeter. Millimeter is less than centimeter. So by using ruler, see here Nana, ruler means scale. Now I am draw one ruler here. Listen carefully. See, now I am writing here some of the, this is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5, 6, See, this is the scale ruler. So this is the 0 to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 in it. So the small lines means the small divisions are given. So 0 to 1, 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to how many millimeters? Means in between the 0 and 1 and 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like that. So 10 divisions means 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So millimeter, that is the smaller object where in length. So millimeter is less than centimeter, then 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So for example, I can write 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter means so 0 to 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, after we can count how many divisions? 5 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is. So this is the 2.5 centimeter. Next 3.7 means 3 centimeter. After we can count 7 divisions. You can write 3.7 centimeter. C means here 2.5 centimeter. It can be written as point before 2 centimeter. So point after we can write 5 millimeter. So it can be written as 2 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Did you understand? So some of the larger units measured in kilometer. The medium objects measured in meters. Next, smaller units measured in like books, scale, like that only. Okay. Pencil box. Okay. Measured in centimeters. Now, smaller, that is the measured in millimeter, like your nail. Did you understand? See here, Vinod is trying to measure the length of his little finger's nail using centimeter scale, but its length is smaller than a centimeter. So that is the length is nail's length is smaller than centimeter. So he does not know any unit which is smaller than centimeter. So Vinod asked his mother, "Ma, is there any smaller unit than centimeter?" Yes, Vinod, it is called millimeter. See here, in short we write mm. Millimeter. Millimeter it can be written as millimeter. Millimeter it can be written as millimeter. Now here, then his mother explained him about the millimeter. Observe the centimeter scale given below. Here, this is the 0 to 1. How many divisions are there? 10 divisions. So 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. See here. Now next one, the space between any two numbers on the centimeter scale is divided into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts means 10 equal divisions. Each part is equals to millimeter. So millimeter is smaller than centimeter. Hence it is used to measure very small units. Very small lengths. Now here for example, the length of an eraser, the length of an ant, width of finger, etc. are measured in millimeters. Now next, now here this is, look at the die, what is its length? Its length is more than 1 centimeter and less than 2 centimeter. See, this is the dice. You can see, this is the dice. Look at the die, what is its length? Its length is more than 1 centimeter and less than 2 centimeter. Shown by the counting the small lines means small divisions. Its length is measured in 16 millimeter. See here. So once count from 0 to 1 after how many divisions are there? 1 after you can count 6 divisions. Means that is 10 plus 6 is 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter. Now next third one, pencil. The length of crayon is measured on a scale that is 7 centimeters. What is this? So 0 to 7. You can write 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters write in this millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. No? 7 into 10 you can get 70 millimeter. See here, this is a pencil, 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Centimeter is converted into millimeter. Already I explained about this. See, centimeter is converted to millimeter. Means centimeter is larger unit than millimeter. Now the larger unit means the bigger unit is converted into smaller unit. Now we have to take multiplication by 10. So 7 is multiplied by 10, you can get 70 millimeter. Why? 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. Then you can multiply by 10. So you can write in your course book that is 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter. Now next one, we know that to convert larger units into smaller units, we need to multiply the largest unit with the conversion value. So let us convert 7 centimeter into millimeter. Already I told you. So now next, do you know 1 meter is equals to how many millimeters? 1 meter is equals to how many millimeters? Means 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. See here. So to convert meters into millimeters, we need to multiply meters by 1000. See here, meter is converting to millimeter. Once again, meters is converting to millimeter. See, this is the meters converting to millimeter. Now have to take multiplication by 1000. Because 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now here page number 47. See word problem. How many millimeters of ribbon should Harini cut from the roll? See, listen carefully. Look at the blackboard, everybody. What I am saying, listen carefully. Try to understand. So you can listen carefully. Then it is understand very easily. Now Harini wanted to cut 2 meters ribbon from the ribbon roll. Did you understand problem? Harini wanted to cut 2 meters ribbon from the ribbon roll. She measured the ribbon using a tape. See here, eyes. Harini wanted to cut 2 meters of ribbon from the ribbon roll. From the ribbon roll, she measured the ribbon using a tape. Using a tape. So eyes, 1 meter is equals to, everybody know, 1000 millimeter. So she has cut to cut is equals to, how much you can cut it? 2 into 1000 millimeter. 2 into 1000 millimeter, you can cut 2000 millimeter. 2000 millimeter. So now let us convert millimeters into centimeter and meters. Look at this scale. See here, its length 9 millimeters. Its length what beta? 9 millimeter. To express millimeters into centimeter. See here, listen carefully. See here, its length. See here, to express 9 millimeters in centimeter. So here millimeter into centimeter means big to small, larger units to smaller units. Larger to smaller. Larger to smaller means you have to take divided by 10. See here, why? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. See here, centimeter is bigger unit than millimeter. So the bigger unit is converted into smaller unit or the larger unit is converted into smaller units, we have to take divided by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter means so 9 millimeter 9 millimeter. See here 9 millimeter is equals to millimeter is converted into centimeter means 9 by 10 9 by 10 centimeter or 9 divided by 10 centimeter. See here to express the millimeter 9 divided by 10 means what we get beta? You can get 0.9. You can get 0.9. 0.9 centimeter. Next centimeter. To express millimeters in meters, we need to divide it by 1000. So same to express millimeters in meters. Millimeter is converted into meters. Millimeter is converted into meters. Millimeter is converted into meters. So smaller to. See here, millimeter is smaller, meter is bigger. So small to big we have to take a division method by 1000. See here, we need to divide millimeter by 1000 since 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. So 9 millimeter is equals to 9 divided by 1000 meter. So you can get 0.009. See here, once again I am repeating, listen carefully. See, its length is 9 millimeter beta. Its length is 9 millimeter. So 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is expressed into centimeter means millimeter is converted into centimeter. Millimeter, this is the smaller unit. Millimeter is the smaller unit and this is the bigger unit. This smaller unit to bigger unit means larger unit. So we have to take division by 10. See, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Listen carefully. The smaller quantity is converted to bigger quantity or the smaller unit is converted into larger units, then we have to take division by 10 because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter means here 9 millimeter. Millimeter is converted into meter means 9 divided by 10 centimeter. So 9 divided by 10 you can get 0.9 centimeter. Now next 9 millimeter is converted into meters. See here, now next to express the millimeters into meters. See 9 millimeter. 9 millimeter is converted into meter. See millimeter into meter, small to big. So I have to take a division divided by 1000 because 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. See here 9 millimeter that is equals to 9 divided by 1000 meters. Did you understand? What we get that is equals to, so here 9 divided by 10 means whenever any number is divided by 1000, the point move to the left side 2 places. 1, 2, 3. See here you can write 0.009 meter. Now next let us measure the toy car given below. See here toy car, its length 5 centimeter and 3 millimeter. The length of the car here given in your course book, that is, so 5 after how many divisions? How many parts? 3 parts. Means its length is 5 centimeter and 3 millimeter. So its length in millimeter can be written as 5 into 10 millimeter means and 3 millimeter. See here, listen carefully. What is the length of toy car? See here, its length is 5 centimeter and 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. So its length in millimeter can be written as see here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Centimeter is converted into meter means I have to take multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 10. See here 5 into 10 millimeter. So you can write this like only 5 centimeter 3 millimeter, that is equals to 5 into 10 centimeter plus remaining millimeter, what better, 3 millimeter. So that is equals to 5 into 10 50 millimeter plus 3 millimeter. We can get 50 plus 3, 53 milli. See whereas the car's length in centimeter can be written as 5 centimeter 3 millimeter. So you can write this like only. How you can write it? Whereas the car's length in centimeter can be written as written as 5 centimeter plus 3 millimeter, that is equals to 5 whole 3 by 10 centimeter, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So this is 3 centimeters and plus 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter it can be written as 3 by 10. So total 5 whole 3 by 10 centimeter. Now next estimate length by rounding up to the nearest centimeter. From your course book, page number 48, see listen. This is everybody. Open your course book, page number 48. What I am saying, listen carefully and read also carefully. See here, estimate length by rounding up to the nearest centimeter. 2 pieces of wood are measured as shown below. See here, these wood pieces. The carpenter has to join these 2 pieces together and estimate the total length. How can he make an estimate? See here, this is the first one, this is the second one. So length of wood one, how many? 5 centimeter, 8 millimeter beta. So length of first wood. Length of wood one, that is equals to 5 centimeter 8 millimeter. Next length of wood 2, second wood. Length of second wood, that is equals to 7 centimeter 4 millimeter. See here, how can he make an estimate? See here, 5 centimeter 8 millimeter plus 7 centimeter 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter. See, in 5 centimeter 8 millimeter. See here, millimeter is nearer to 1 centimeter because 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. 8 millimeter is nearer to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So 5 centimeter 8 millimeter is rounded off. Rounded off 5 centimeter plus 88 millimeter nearer to 1 centimeter. So you can get 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Here see in 7 centimeter 4 millimeter. See 4 is nearer to 0. 4 is nearer to 0 than 1. Why? See here 4 means that is one space digit less than 5. Less than 5. So I have to take previous tense, before tense. Means here nearer to 0. Nearer to 0 than 1. So 7 centimeter 4 millimeter is rounded off to 7 centimeter plus 0 centimeter, you can get to 7 centimeter. So the total length of is estimated to be 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, you can get 13 centimeter. See here weight. Now next weight. Already you know weight, weighing things. Weighing things. See here weight. Here kilogram, gram and milligram. Some of the larger units measured means weighing in kilograms. Like for example, I am taking rice bag. So the weight of rice bag weighing in kilograms. Now next grams. So medium things weighing in grams. Now that is now I am taking biscuit package. 500 grams biscuit packet. 1000 grams biscuit packet, like that. So the smaller units, milligrams, like gold rings, golden rings, measured in milligrams. See here weight. See here in it 1 kg, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So here the standard unit of weight is gram. The standard unit of weight is gram. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Next half kg. Half kg means, so half of the kilogram we can get 500 grams. Now next 1/3 kg. So 750 grams. So 1/4 kg. So 250 grams. This is 1 kg. This is half kg. You know everybody. This is 1/4 means. So in 1 kilo you can take fourth part. That is 250 grams. So I take 1/2 means third part means 750 grams. See here, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So that is the relation between kgs and grams. See here, the standard unit of weight is gram, and next from your course book, according to your course book, page number 49, you have see circle the heavier object in each box. So here this is cup. You have to circle. This is the heavier object. Here heavier object this. Here heavier object this. And here heavier object this. See here this. And here heavier object this. See, let us also see and estimate the weight of objects on weighing scale, assuming that the oranges and apples weighing equally, the following conclusion will be arrived. So this is the weighing scale. So we can assume that oranges and apples weighing equally. So I think this is, which one is equal? This is the equal. I think this is 500 grams, means half kg. 500 grams. So here we can observe first weighing scale. So apples less than weight of oranges. Now you can observe second one. Here 4 apples, here 3 oranges. So 4 apples is more than 3 apples. So this is more. Now next you can see here third weighing scale. Here 3 apples and 3 oranges. So approximately this is the equal measurement. Equal measurement. So I think that is 500 grams of apples and 500 grams of oranges. So thank you everybody.